Hey guys, how you doing? I think I'm going crazy. Last week has been really intense. I've been doing and seeing stuffs that I feel like they are not making any sense to me. But let me show you. For example, I've been working out
You got it.
with me.
Here. One more set. One more.
I've been playing PlayStation with me.
Are you ready? Of course I'm ready. I was
Let's see.
born ready.
Round one. Fight.
Loser.
Wins. Fatality.
I've been doing magic tricks for myself.
Want to see some magic? Go for it. How did you do that?
And it has really been crazy. I mean, it has been fun. It has been fun, but something doesn't make any sense.
Yo,
Yo, what's up? Are you down to do some beatbox with me?
Ready?
Yeah. Let's do it. But I usually don't do that. I mean, that's really weird. And on top of all, I've been seeing things that have not been making any sense to me. Am I going crazy, or this is something normal and has also happened to you after a long time of social distancing and avoiding seeing real people? Let me know below in the comments. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and turn on your bell notifications. See you.